Hi, I'm Julia from the House Ministry Interior Design Studio in the Cotswolds, and today I'm going to be talking about lighting. Lighting can be a very common interior design mistake to make for those not in the know. If you've ever walked into a room and thought, wow, this feels amazing, but not really being able to put your finger on why that is, then often the unsung hero is the lighting. And it's a bit like the Goldilocks of the interior design world, in that if you have too much of it, then it feels like being in an operating theatre, and if you don't have enough, then the room feels really dim, and you may as well be in a cave, really. So what's the trick? Well, the answer is what we call layered lighting. It's not relying on a single light source or just a couple of light sources to illuminate your room. It's about creating depth and ambience through multiple light sources in different categories. And so the first one would be ambient lighting, which is the general light source you get when you flick a switch as you walk through the door. Task lighting is where you want to focus light on a particular thing you're doing, say food prep. And then accent lighting is like the cherry on the top, really, and that's for illuminating features that you love. It might be architectural features, or it could be artwork or a sculpture. But altogether, they create something really special in the room, and that's what makes it feel different. So if you're feeling that it's time to revisit the lighting in your home, if you're a bit in the dark about the best way to do that, oh, I'm sorry, that's just a terrible pun, then do please get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for listening. I'm Julia from the House Ministry.